Now let's create a font inside Next.js. First, we need to go to google.font, google fonts, I think. So now you can see there is a lot of fonts in here. So in our Next.js app, we can use fonts directly inside the layout. You can see it is giving us next.fonts.google. There is some elements inside this. We can directly import this the fonts inside this inter class name, and we can use directly this, but some fonts may be not found inside this next font Google. So and it will apply to all elements. So I think it's not a good option to use it like this. If you want to change the fonts inside your Next.js app, we can go to globals, and we can come here, and we can select any fonts you want. Let's say I can select this. Now it will give us this font, and we can go to this get font element, and we can go to get embed element. Let's go here. I think it is not giving. Let's use the import element. Now you can copy this import element and copy this and come here, and you can paste here. Now we can use this font, and let's come here, and you can see it will give us font variation elements. Now let's copy this. I think I don't want the font element, I want only this, and let's copy this, and let's create an element at layer element and the component inside your tailwind file, and let's give dot style, and let's paste that, and let's change this to, I think, 300. Now you can use this style inside any element inside your Next.js app. So inside this page, you can see we have this. If I change this, now you can see it is this font. Let's come here, and you can see it is like this there. I think it has by default applied that. Yeah, let's go here, and let's give a class name, and let's paste style, and let's save this. You can see it has applied that, and if I come here again, and in global CSS, I think let's save it. Oh, it will give me that. Let's give a font weight of 900. You can see it will give this, but it will also apply another element. To change that, we need to give a class name to each element, and we need to disable the style that is affected by this. For now it will give this element a button element, but you can omit the button element styles by using style none. I will not do that now, but you can do that. So you can use directly any Google fonts or any other fonts inside with the import element, and you can apply any style name, and you can give the style this font family and font weight like this, and you can apply directly inside your page like this, and it will apply the styles like this. If I change this to 100, you can see it will change this to 100. So this is how you apply fonts in Next.js. So let's go to the next element.